Bread is a huge issue because there is no flour.
Subhanallah.
Subhanallah. 5 minutes before Maghrib, a big, huge tray. And it is so well, not only cooked and generosity, but it's well presented. Next to it is salad, and next to it is a typical Palestinian cookies. So I said, Khalil, where did you get this? I mean, you need a lot of material. He said, everyone in my family, whatever they had, we brought it all together to bring this.
Subhanallah.
Subhanallah. And I said, you don't have to, inshallah. We'll come next time and we'll visit you in your... He said, no. You came, you have to. Extremely generous. I fully agree with you. I learned, من كان يريد العزة فإن العزة لله جميعا. Whomsoever wants dignity, dignity is with Allah. And you're absolutely right. Even children, they are walking barefooted, but they have dignity, subhanallah.